Hello friends, welcome to Marsha Creatives, the home of creative tech. And today I'm going to show you how to create a simple advert or event poster or flyer in Adobe Photoshop. So before we dive in, ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative content. So right here I have an artboard that I've created on my Photoshop. This artboard size is 1080 by 1080 and the color mode is RGB, and I'm using 100 pixels per inch, that is the resolutions. So as always, first things first, we're going to import our background. So I have some assets that I've created for this tutorial, so I'm just going to import my background. We are going to design with you the background first. Then this poster I'm going to use Kidum, as I've downloaded these pictures from from Google, that is from the internet, and I'm going to use them to showcase this product. So big up to Kidum, and I respect that guy. So as long as we're using his pictures to learn, so I have to acknowledge him. So okay, let's jump in. So right here, as always, go to File, Place Embedded, then locate where you have placed your files. So I have my files right here in this folder. Then I want to bring in this background. You can check this background also. I've downloaded this background from freepik.com. Just check it out and you'll be able to see it. Yeah. So yes, here is our background, and let me scale it a little bit. I want to do away with this watermark down here so that it disappears. Yes, something like that. And I'm just going to check that. Then I'm going to give it a Gaussian blur, the background that is. So your Gaussian blur is always found on just come to filter right here, then blur, then locate Gaussian blur. There it is. Then just play along with your radius, get one that you feel okay that it's working for you. And yeah, for me, yeah, I think 6.6 will do for me. Click OK. So I have that blurrish effect on my background. And the next thing I'm going to import, a blend that I also have right here. This one I got it from I think it's this one. Yeah, I got this effect from PNG Egg. You can just check it out. PNG Egg is a website that gives free PNG images that have no background. So yeah, so you can see it is blending pretty nice on the background. So yeah. Then now the next thing, let me bring in our images. So File, Place Embedded, and I'm going to bring Mr. Kidum right there. Yeah. Then as always, we have to do away with the background. So you can just right click and rasterize the layer. Then just locate your properties. On your quick action, click on remove background, then allow Photoshop to do its magic. So let's give it some time so that it removes the background for us, and boom, done. Clean, man. Yeah, that looks nice. So what I'm doing, okay, let me redo that since I didn't explain. So I want, as you can see, sometimes you may remove the background, then when you zoom in, you will see some whitish stuff that appears here. So to do away with that, for us already how our Photoshop has removed the background, it's okay. but I just wanted to show you how, in case you remove the background of an image, then there is that white stroke that remains here. How to remove that? Just come to filter, come to others, then come to minimum. Then as you can see, there's something that has happened here. Then just give a radius, maybe 10 is too big, that's why it's 2 also is too big, so let's just deal with 1. You have to check here so that it does not destroy your picture. So for me, I will undo that because I feel like it's altering with my picture. Let me try that again. Let me try it maximum. So maximum brings it out, which is supposed to be minimum, so just cancel that. So in case you get that problem when you remove your background, that is how you do away with that white. Just come to minimum, then just give it, as you can see, it has already removed something here. So for me, I'm not going to use it because I think my image is already clean. But again, okay, let me use it. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it's clean now. We do not have any whitish substance around our image. So as you can see, Mr. Kidum here, the baddest guy, man. I love this guy's music. This guy does pretty nice music. So yeah, then I want to bring in his there's another image of him. So place embedded. Here is the image. Then as always, just right click, rasterize the layer, then go locate your properties. If you don't know where your properties panel is, just come to window and ensure properties is checked right here. Then you will have this properties panel on your workspace. So remove background. And boom, there we are. So I'm going to drag this guy down. Then I want him to blend with my background, so I will convert this layer into a smart object. Convert to smart object. Then I'm going to add a clipping mask right here. Then the next thing, come to my gradient right here. Ensure the fill is black. Ensure you are using this basic. You are using this one here at the center. That one. That's the one I'm using. Then just click and drag. And there we go. Yes, that is how I've achieved that effect right there. So then again, now there's something else I want to do. I want to create a rectangle here where we are going to place our text. So I want a rectangle that will be running all the way to somewhere here. Yes. Then it's on path, but anyway, let me just give it a solid color. And yeah, just pick a color. I want a brownish color. Yes, something like that. Okay, then give it an opacity. Seems it won't be visible, so we have to change the color. Just get a nice color that will work for you. So yeah, I think not bad. So don't worry about these images. I will align them. So in the meantime, let me first bring our text. So the text for this, I'm just going to write Kidum live. So just come to my type tool, and the first thing I'm typing is Kidum. Then let me give it a white so that it's visible. Then I'm going to scale that up. Then I'll place it right here. Then I'm going to duplicate it, so alt click and drag. Somebody may be asking this font. So this font is called Impact. You can download it for free. So Kidum live. Then now here I'm going to use a font called Great Vibes. You can download it also. It's a Google font. called Great Vibes. Here it is. It's a free font also, so I'm just going to scale this up. And now I'll place it right here. You can use your arrow keys on your keyboard. So I want this to have a red, as in the fill I want it to be red, okay, for this text. Then I want it to have a stroke of white, so I'll double click that so that we can go to a style panel. Then I'll check my stroke, then I'm going to give my stroke a white. Okay, ensure your preview is checked so that you can see exactly what you are doing. Then now I want it outside, normal blend is okay. Then the size, I think 4 is okay. Yeah, it's on white, that is okay. So okay, so Kidum Live, come on, this poster is coming up great, man. So the next thing is I want to bring in another text, so I'll duplicate the Kidum text here, this one. So alt click and drag. So I just double click, then I'll type so I'll scale that down. So entertainment. Then I want to change this font weight. Let's see if our font it does not have. Let me see. Yeah, it does not have, it's just the regular. So I need a font that, let me see, Behance script. I need light font. I need a font that is too light and something small. Yeah, I think this will work. So I'll still scale that down. I need it to be very small. Yeah, entertainment by, just place it at the center, then I'll duplicate it. So alt, now let me use this one. So alt click and drag. Then I'm going to give, yeah, so DJ Dante. So yeah, I said that is our DJ. Scale this down and just place it right there. Then now it's we're going to give our the location. So alt click and drag. Oh, come on, undo that. Let me check. So alt click and drag, duplicating the wrong thing. It's this one. Yeah, so let's say this is going to happen that's going to happen at Sinbad Rooftop. Then let me just scale that up a little bit so that it's visible. Yeah. Then the next thing I want to bring in is my flares. So file, place embedded. I have this flare here. I'll place it right here. Then I'm going to, oh come on, yeah, I'll scale it down, it's too big. I just need it to from there, but again I'm going to blend it with the background. So just come here to blend, then look for a nice blend so that it does not appear too much. Yeah, I think overlay will do for me. Let me check, maybe I can get one that I think I love overlay. So overlay will do for me right there. But I have a feeling it has some sort of a background that is, let me give it screen, then I'll reduce the opacity, because screen will do away with the it's still visible. Oh my, it's not nice. I don't like this, that effect there. Let me try and reduce the opacity and see how it looks like. Let me add an so that I can give a transparency here, so that this straight line here is not visible. So what I'll do, I'll add a layer mask, then I'll come to my gradient, then just click and drag. Yeah, exactly, very nice. So now I'm good to go. That is okay, I still try and let me convert that into a smart object. Then let me give it a color overlay and see how it looks like. So double click that so that I can go into my style panel. My color overlay is right here. Oh my, it's affecting the background. Not good. So just cancel that. Okay, so what's next? Want to bring in some there's that text here, so I'll click and drag right here at the bottom. So not forward to persons. We all know this statement, obvious. If you are in Kenya, you must know this one. Yeah. Then I'm going to duplicate it, so Alt click and drag. Then the other common statement, excessive consumption. Yeah, so I want this at the center, so I'm just using my arrow keys. Yeah, excessive consumption of alcohol is harmful to your health. Yeah, and I think our poster is coming up. I know you are being irritated by these images. I'm just going to make those to look nice just in a moment. So now I also want to give this image a blend. I don't want it to be full because I feel it's out of place. So as always, convert this into a smart object. So right click, convert into smart object, add a layer mask, locate your gradient, click and drag. I want something like that. Then I want to scale it up. Yeah. coming up, it's coming up, it's coming up, guys. It's coming up. So I want to give the date here. So let me, oh, not a gradient, come on. We want a solid. Solid, hey, solid color. Yeah, okay. Okay, then now I just want to bring in the date there, so Alt click and drag. Obviously need to get that on top of our rectangle that we have just made. I want to scale this down, zoom in, place it there, double click to edit, then just give the date. Just ensure your alignment is key when designing. And now I want to blend this other image with, let me just blend it here. Something like that, no? Let me flip it, convert to layers. Oh, come on. Oh, convert this into a smart object. Yeah, properties, convert to layers. What's not happening? Come to edit, transform, then flip. Yeah, and now let it go below this image, so drag it down somewhere there. No, not here. Yeah, then I'll duplicate, alt click and drag. Then now I will flip, edit, transform, flip horizontally, and just use your arrow keys to position that. And I think our poster is a bad one. Yeah, so I feel like we need some text here. Then but I had a flare. Let me bring it in. This red flare. I feel it's too bright. It's not, I don't like how it's appearing. Let me blend it screen. Then I'm going to tilt it. Change here to 90 degrees. And just drag it and place it here. right there. Yeah, I'm using my arrow keys, yeah, so that I have something like that. Then now, so let's say this is alt click and drag. It's let me type there live band. Scale it down. Just align it there. I think white is okay. Then I want to duplicate this text. Alt click and drag so that it is reading Kidum live band. So I'll change this to Kidum. And I want to scale it so that it comes to the end of the word live. I'm using my arrow keys. Position that. Check it. Hold shift and select all the text. Drag them down a little bit. Zoom out. And yeah, I think we have a nice poster here. But I feel like this text here is disappearing, so let's change that to red. Then I feel like I should give it a stroke, so double click. Yeah, stroke right here. A white stroke is okay. That is okay. And I think Kidum should just remain red like that. And I'll duplicate this flare, so alt click and drag. Then I'll change it back to 0 degrees, so right here 0, so that is back to, and I'll scale it down like that. Yeah, zoom in, and I want to position it somewhere here. I don't like this flare, so let me bring in another flare. I have another flare somewhere on my other design. This one, yeah. This flare looks okay. Then now I've changed the blending mode to screen. Yeah, very nice. And now I'll scale it down. Scale it down, place it somewhere. It's having a background shade that is not nice, so also this one won't work for me. Let me bring in another one that has no background at all. Come on, let me try this. Yeah, I think that that is making sense, you know, how when I join the two flares like that. And yeah, I think that's it for our flyer, and I think this flyer looks nice. You can duplicate this for your design maybe someday. And so that's it for today, guys. Ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give me a comment on the comment section. Tell me what you want me to design next. Share this video to your friends. Yeah, so as always, ensure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Strong.